guys, welcome back to Miss Twins. We're going to do hacks. First hack is, well, say that a little slower. Welcome back to Mr. Twins. Today we're going to be doing hacks and see if they work. First hack. Wait. Guess we got our Christmas tree. We got okay. What? Be crazy. All of us said it's cool. We got a Christmas tree, guys. And we got a little cute little snowman.
I'm a cute little monkey.
And we got our air conditioner thing. Just an 08. And we got a lot. Quit! Guys, look. Yep, lots of presents. Only reason we got Paw Patrol because that's all we could find.
Okay.
Whoa! Which one is this one?
I'm a gorilla.
Look at my wax. Where our candle was. Okay, you need wax. And a shoe. We're using an old shoe because I don't think it would work.
What?
Yeah. Use an old shoe or something.
What?
Because I don't.
This ain't
That's my back. Oh, don't look at that. The dog broke it.
Where's my?
Scratching my back.
Where's my shirt?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try to jump over here. Let's go in your shoes. Right over
Guys,
there.
look at our Christmas decorations. Got the Christmas tree. Got that. Oh, what? They got that.
Emily.
That's a fire alarm that is broken. Put it back. First, about that shoe. So wax all over it. Cameraman.
I think none of these shoes are on. Because they're not all made.
And turn the water on.
Turn it off? Here we go.
The water's on.
Here, come on. But I'll turn it off!
Never mind!
Honey? Okay. You put wax. And soap.
Oh, hey. We turned the water off. Oh, look at his mom. We're making a video.
And look at in here.
No.
It's soapy water.
This is more. You have a YouTube channel. I ain't gonna talk. We're gonna say about that. 4-year-old. Yeah. Don't scream. You're gonna make our sister. You're gonna cause our sister to come in here and ruin it. Don't even think about it. Hold on, little. Come on.
Stand up for it.
All the way.
It's hard. That you are harder than a rock.
Okay. It's our bedroom. That doesn't smell very good. Look what we have, guys.
What are you doing?
Okay, we're good. Ow! Okay. It's on my foot.
Now should we back there?
Bye.
That's all what I did. I'm supposed to
Oh, boy, so
hurt
you
people.
stepped in a puddle.
I'm a killer.
Pretend I have shoes on.
Shut up.
You stepped in a puddle.
You put wax on it and stuff?
And
Waterproof.
Should be. Well, it'll get wet on the front, but if you check inside. Water?
Yeah.
Waterproof?
No.
I'll give that a big thumbs down. Quit, Raleigh.
Okay, next time.
Where are we going? In our big house. It's not big.
Let me think here.
We got about 1, 2, 3, 4,
Me and my mom.
5, 6, 7 rooms. Oh, God.
Let me think here.
Oh, God. Hush.
I'm just laughing. My secret.
I'll kill you. Yeah.
Is there salt?
Oh, salt. There's our dog pudding.
Not salt, but
Pepper.
good one.
Salt chicken.
We have a birthday cake.
Yeah, today's our dad's birthday.
Yeah, let's
So
show
please
it.
set. Hey, make a YouTube video.
Let's show them our cake.
No.
We can't do that thing yet because we're probably gonna get in trouble. Can't do it yet.
Okay, guys, we can't do it like that.
Not yet.
Gummy bear.
Are these in the for gummy
Stop with my gummy bears.
It's not yours. It's mine.
That's mine.
From a long time ago. It's mine.
That's mine. Give me my gummy.
What? There's a hack for gummy bears?
Oh my god.
What is it? I don't know you. I don't know if it would work.
He's not on there. The crown. Quit.
That's what you get. That's what you
I
get,
don't know.
Landy.
Now, can we have one more gummy bear?
Yeah, they're on the floor.
Okay, guys, we'll check it. You're on that floor. Okay, I got a hack for gummy bears. Let's say your kid's crying because there's no more lollipops. Okay, be the child.
You need
No, we need
plate.
we need some kind of sticks or something. 1 second, guys. Let me get this.
Let's show it. Let's show them our thing. The thing.
Okay.
1 second. We need something as a stick. That's why I heard they. No, quit. Sorry, guys. Our brother.
Hey.
Sure.
Straw work?
Now we have to blow dry it.
Well, I don't have to
You don't have it.
Well, don't blow dry it.
I stabbed it too!
Just make two.
I know. Put them.
When we put
Wait,
it
no, wait.
on
Okay,
the
like this. Put them in. No, no. Remember last time?
Oh yeah.
No, we're.
No, we're doing it for only like 10 seconds.
Only you better because I almost blew up the microwave that one time.
Dad, he actually did almost blow up the microwave.
Literally 10 seconds. I'm cameraman. That didn't. No.
Oh, you're not camera.
Yeah, I am. I'm the one that records. That's all our trash.
Watch his camera. It looks more greener on the screen.
Yeah.
What's show?
Put 7. Okay.
Show this.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Yeah. What?
Yes, that's what we need.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, it should look like that.
No, it looks like suckers.
That's exactly what we're making. Okay, now put something like some kind. Hey, mommy, we're trying to hack.
We're making suckers.
Pretty much. Now we need to freeze it. Freeze it at the maybe at the end. Oh Lord, we have no room. Maybe at the end of the video we'll see if it works. There's gonna be a plate.
There's gonna be playing, don't touch it.
There's gonna be a plate. Don't touch it. Wait. It's in the freezer. Don't touch it.
Getting old. Oh my God.
There's a plate in the
Freezer.
and don't touch it.
Ow! stepped on my toe.
Okay. First,
What's next?
I wonder if that thing's gonna work.
I hope.
I'm
Will you not do it in the middle of the video? Like,
on it.
yeah.
Hey, water.
My back itches.
Here's just the one that's
Oh, that thing doesn't look very waterproof.
and I don't.
It's not real. Was this a hack?
Yeah.
Get the other one. Remember?
Oh yeah, there's another hack too.
Okay, so it won't come out. Do some kind of bottle in the other one. See, it's working.
It's supposed to like blow out like something cool.
When you touch it. It's not really a life hack. So no?
No.
Thumbs down too. You spilled it! You spilled it! Well, we have leftover gummy bears.
Then we're gonna set this. Okay. Next one. Is there another one? Do I have any tape?
No.
Oh.
Well, we can use that extra.
What is it? Okay,
We can't do that though.
I can show you a hack I made up. Your thing don't work really well. Your thing don't come look. Look, Colin. We did Colin, look.
What?
We didn't say this don't really work for hot.
It goes so slow.
First, you get some pop tubes. You know what a pop tube is?
It's just a big long tube.
And you can do it like this. Watch.
Yeah. It's a
I think
fidget.
we showed it in our fidget.
Fidgets. Showing our old and new fidgets. We need to make a new video.
Yeah, we need to make a part 2 for that.
Yeah, because we got because 2 days later we got our other fidgets.
Yeah. Oh, I need to inside. Okay, then
It really sucked.
you put it right here.
Put it in the sink. You can tape it, or maybe it just fits.
And it should be coming
What?
out.
And they can connect. So when you connect them all, it should come out. In a minute.
I feel it.
It's leaking. Say guys.
That was mine. Oh, there we go.
Sometimes here I turned it off. Sorry.
See? Turn it on.
It should be coming.
Yeah. See? There's like a little hose for you.
Yeah.
You ever tried that one?
Yeah, that's it. Because you can rinse your hair with it too.
Yeah. You can rinse your hair.
Let's go.
Alright, what?
13 minutes in.
What?
13 minutes in.
13 minutes in.
Alright. It's fine.
Enter. What do you have?
If we had if we had tape.
Cardboard.
We got cardboard. What? Lane, look at me. Look at me.
Yeah.
See if it works. You might want to try this in the sink. We're gonna try this in the sink because we don't know if it's gonna work.
Okay. Say you shut your pop up.
Like you drop it or something, you throw it,
Here's a hack if you don't want it to explode.
and you don't want to wait. Flick it. Here.
No, Conrad, just
Oh, shake it up!
okay. That's good. It's gonna be too much. It's gonna die. Wait.
I don't feel too good about this. Oh, please, Lord. Ow!
Okay. Shake it up.
I don't think it's gonna work. I don't.
Okay.
Kinda. Kinda.
I can show Wi-Fi.
No, it didn't work.
So I'll be giving it a thumbs down. 3 thumbs down. Wow, this is going great. We're
I
already
hope
at
that
15
other
minutes.
thing works.
You hope the gummy bears work.
Check on it.
Already? It probably gets stuck to the plate. I feel it.
Oh,
Not really. It's not done.
no, it's not done.
It's almost, I think. Look what I made. It's December 9th. Thursday.
Back.
We have school tomorrow. Guys, we've been sick. Mommy, what's the virus thing we have called? Never mind, guys.
Okay.
Dora the Explorer!
Oh, yeah.
What?
Do you know where a marker is?
How do I get the one to fit in here?
Wait. Mommy, do you know where a marker is?
You have a marker or tape?
No, we don't.
Thanks. Thanks, Mother.
Fashion a marker.
Tom, there's chips in there.
The only reason that's there, guys, because when our dad went to,
Okay,
Mom-
say you open your chips
never mind, guys.
and play your video games and go.
Wait.
Spill them. What do I do? You do this. You roll them.
Now we gotta clean up this mess, Logan.
Quit! Fuck that. I'm playing on that.
Roll on the sides.
Wow, it's everywhere.
Six rolling.
Okay, good.
Oh, don't go.
Okay. Now what?
But it's like,
I'm 17 minutes in. You watch Minecraft while he's waiting. While you're waiting.
we say you Justin card.
That's approved money. I'm coming, but I'm spinning my butt around the floor.
Okay. First,
Oh,
you need a water bottle.
Right on that.
You put it like this.
Skittles.
Now first, you think I'm gonna make this trick, baby. I didn't make it. 2 days later, I didn't like it.
And you've been trying and trying. What are you doing? Oh, we found our stockings. What is it?
No.
Oh, not right now.
No, Ron.
Not right now.
Okay, you get this. Chug it right.
Well, we're even bored up.
How do you find the crayon up there?
Halfway.
That
You
got
can
clean.
spill it like in a sink or something or chug it. Drink it halfway.
Right, then you need your salt.
Salt. Sometimes this works. You know what more?
You really don't need this thing.
Sorry, that's right. What are you talking about?
You really don't need this thing. I mean, you really don't need this thing.
It's firework, honey.
I don't know if it works though.
Oh, honey, it's not fun to play with the fireworks.
Oh my god, it's so close. I feel it would work. It's supposed to bottle flip every time. I don't.
It's not really a life hack. It's just if you get mad.
I'll put stuff in it.
Another thumbs down.
I'll put stuff in it.
Here, wait, let me try.
Oh, I found somebody's thing. Whose is this?
That's mine. It says my name on it. Okay, quit, Riley. Oh, here comes somebody. Riley, quit!
I made it.
I was close. Riley, quit! Quit! Wait. Come on, Con.
Whose is this?
I think it's yours.
Whose is this?
I think it's yours. It's yours, Riley. So it's a hat. We landed it twice. Right, Mother? Right, Mother?
This used to be mine.
I don't know.
Yeah. We found our stockings. You want to be on camera?
Mommy,
Oh, you're being
we
Like
found
15 minutes
this.
gone.
We
Oh.
found this stocking. We found
It's almost time to
this
go to bed, but
stocking.
you're at school tomorrow.
Okay.
La 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 la.
I'm listening.
Nail right up there. Shoot, the nail.
All this
You are took the nail.
because I've seen it as a hack. I've seen it as a hack. You need a piece of paper.
Oh, is it? Is it what I think it is?
You need your paper.
Is it what I think it is? That kitty cat thing.
Okay, give me that crown first. Or just give me something.
Hey,
Oh, sorry.
alcohol.
Draw like a something.
I want to do it. And then unfold it and draw something inside of it.
Hey, that's cold.
This is cool though.